Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and I'm back with another video for you guys. So you guys loved my American Eagle jeans. Oh, let me turn my phone off, sorry guys. You guys loved my American Eagle jean try on haul, so I decided to do another one because I did get 5 more pair of jeans just because the sales have been too good to pass up, and then I had a jean credit, so I used my jean credit because, like I told you guys in the last video, if you purchase 5 jeans you do get a free pair of jeans, which is awesome. And you can choose any pair of jeans, it doesn't matter the amount. I actually got a $90 pair of jeans for my free pair of jeans. I thought it was gonna be like, oh, no more than $60, you know how companies do, but no, I was so surprised. But anyways, so yeah, and I am hot as hell in this sweater, so if I'm sweating or my neck look a little shiny or something, that's why. I put on this sweater because I just wanted to put on something new, I guess, to do the try on haul, hence the tag is still on. This is not from American Eagle, this is from Target. Their new is this from the Walt Fable line? I don't know, but it's from Target. If you guys don't shop at Target, you slipping on Target. They have some great cute stuff, like go to Target, okay? I mean, I'm not sponsored, hashtag not sponsored, but anyways, so yeah, I decided to do another haul video for these jeans. Like Fashion Nova who, like I used to love Fashion Nova jeans, now it's not even a question. Like if I need a pair of jeans, I'm going to American Eagle because their jeans are just consistently, the sizing is good, and like a 14, 16 is me. At Fashion Nova, sometimes I'm a 13, sometimes I'm 15, sometimes I'm a 1X. It's just too much for my life to have this. And then like you can't take the jeans back. Well, you can send them back, but it's like a whole process. You can never get your money back. They don't do cash back, they do a gift or store credit or whatever. So it's just too much to do, to have to pay to return it and then get a store credit and then get another pair of jeans to have those not fit either. So yeah, American Eagle, Fashion Nova who, I mean, like I used to be like a Fashion Nova spokesperson for the people like at my job because they always just love my jeans, but now I'm an American Eagle spokesperson. They be like, I can't believe you got those from American Eagle, blah 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 blah. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Again, don't judge me because this tag is on here. This is new as well, I just didn't take the tag off for some strange reason. It's from Target. But anyways, let's just get on into the jeans that I picked up. And I am sitting over a little bit because of course the jeans will be over here when I try them on. Anyways, I'm getting into the first pair. The first pair I got, I have already wore these because I just couldn't wait because they were just so cute. These are super high rise next level stretch jeggings, and these were, I think, originally $50, but they were on clearance for $19.99. Y'all, sign up for American Eagle emails because they've been having some great deals. I'm not even playing with you. Like they were on clearance. Clearance jeans are normally $29.99, but they were marked down to $19.99 for like 2 days. Who didn't order? Anyway, so I got these. They look pretty similar to one of the jeans I had in my previous American Eagle jeans haul. But the difference between these is the rips are a little different and the bottom distressing is also different. These just have a little bit of fringy like at the ends, and these also have like little like rips on the back, which I love. These, like, that is just so cute. And on the leg, like the calf, super cute. Love these. I had a shirt that I wanted to wear these with, so I wore them. I couldn't wait to do the video. I got a 16 in these pair of jeans because the clearance jeans, like online, no kidding you, like all the sizes were sold out. So a 16, they didn't have 14, they didn't have no sizes really. I think they had like a 9 left, I mean not 9, an 8, and then a 16 and like a 20 or something. So I got the 16 and they fit great. I love the fit, actually. Makes me think like maybe I should get all of them in 16s. But now I've learned to just like, so like I was saying, my camera cut off, but I've learned like from different like variations of like the different stretch levels of what size I need to get, but really it's either a 14 or 16. So yeah, I got these and I love these jeans. I wore these to work one day and everybody just loved these jeans. Like they couldn't believe I got them from Fashion Nova, from American Eagle. But American Eagle, They love the curvy girls because these jeans really do wonders. I'm telling you, get you some, girl. And I still have the 20% off coupon code that I was telling you guys. If you leave your emails down below, I can send you a 20% off to your emails. And yeah, like, who doesn't want 20% off? And then they're going to be having so many sales, I'm sure, for Black Friday and stuff. So girl, these are these super high-rise jeggings, and these I did get in a 16 as well. These were not on clearance, but I got these in a 16 because they were just this super high-rise and not like the next level. And these fit really well as well. And I'm trying to find the price. These were $59.95. But all the jeans when I purchased these were BOGO. Buy one get one 50% off. So you go, you know, your girl do that. And I think I had another coupon code. So yeah, I think I paid like $100 for all of these jeans or something close to that. I did have another pair of jeans that I bought when they were on clearance, but they were like this mauve pink color, but I didn't really love them, so I took them back. So yeah, I got these. These are super cute. I love how they're distressed on the bottom. They're like split at the back. If you guys can see that, it's just super cute. I love jeans that have like distressing at the bottom. Like, it's just bomb. Like, I just love it. But these are super cute. They're a dark wash and they fit really well. Super cute, distressing, and I love them. The next pair I got are super cute as well. These are like a washed black color, acid wash kind of look. I got these in a 14, and these are the super high-rise next level stretch jeggings. And again, like I said, I got these in a 14. So these jeans are like called slash or something. What are they called? Super high-rise jegging, black slash next level stretch. And they just have slashes all over them in the front and in the back, and these are super cute. They have them like going up your thigh and then all up the front, and I'm sure when you wash these, like, they would get like more distressed looking, which I love. These are super cute. Super cute jeans, and I just love that they're so distressed, like on the back. I love that. I love it. So yeah, I got these, and these were $69.95. It's crazy how the more distressed the jean is, the more expensive. It's just crazy. I guess it took them extra work to make. So the next is just a classic pair of black jeans. And I already told these are going to be a struggle because they get so much lint and they attract a lot of lint and stuff and dog hair and whatever else. I haven't even worn these and they already have a lot of stuff on them. But these are the super high rise jegging in the 360 next level stretch, which is my favorite stretch that they have. And this is the super high rise jeggings Onyx Black in the 360 neck. I just told you guys that. But these are the Onyx Black. So I got these in a size 14. And these are just a classic black pair of jeans. I need another pair because I wear black jeans so much at work. So all of mine become super faded, which I'm sure these will become super faded as well. But I actually like when they become faded. It's cute to me. But yeah, so I got these. And these were probably $49. Yep, $49.95. And I did get all of these in the regular length. They do have extra short, regular, long, and I think extra long, I don't know, but I always get regular in all of my jeans. I could get short, but I like for my jeans to be super high. And last but not least, these were the $90 babies. And these were my free pair of jeans that I got, which I was so shocked. So I kept adding jeans in my cart, and then like the first one was like $49.95, and it took the price away, like it zeroed out the money or the price. And then I put another one, it was like $70, and it zeroed out the price. I was like, oh my god. So then I was like, hold on, let me find a real expensive pair. And it was these, and it was I think 89. How much are these? They're $89.95. And so I put these in, and then they zeroed out this instead of the other ones. I was like, yes, American Eagle, that's awesome. So I got these. These are like their most special. These are called the Dream Jean. They are just the special jeans that they have. They're supposed to make your butt look good. It's supposed to be the most stretchy. It's supposed to be the most soft, the most movable, and all that jazz. As you can see, even like the tags are different. compared to the other ones. The other ones have like this little cream tag. This has like a black tag. The other ones have like a white price tag. This has like a black. So they just got fancy. They got fancy. So again, this is the Dream Jean, and it says super high-rise jegging, intensely dark, the Dream Jean. And I got a size 14 in these. And like I said, these are $89.95. And it has this little tag on it, which I can read for you guys. I don't know what it says. It says, these jeans are like nothing you've ever tried on. Designed with four-way stretch that shapes, supports and lifts your booty. They feel like a hug in all the right places. Dreamy, soft comfort means you can literally do anything in them. Make them yours. American Eagle. And trying these on, I can definitely say that it is all of those. Like, these jeans are super stretchy. Like, super stretchy. Like, I was like dancing, doing some squats, and they was just so stretchy. And they are super soft, and they are bomb. Like, I will probably get the Dream Jean with every free jean I get, because I don't know if I feel like paying $90 for a pair of American Eagle jeans, even though I love them. But I just can't really see myself doing it personally. So when I get my free jean, which I think I have like 2 more jeans before I get my free jean, because the clearance jeans do not count for the little free jean running, which is understandable. So I think I have 2 more jeans before I get my other free jean, and I will more than likely be getting another pair of Dream jeans with that free credit. So yeah, these are super cute. The wash is nice. It looks like a classic denim kind of thing. The little faded in the like center and things like that. Super cute. Love it. $89.95, but they are the Dream jeans. So I mean, they're a little bit more special. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me seeing these jeans on me. I love American Eagle jeans, if you couldn't already tell. And again, I am not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored, but hashtag sponsor me, please. Seriously, like, American Eagle, sponsor me, or put me in one of your try on, like, your little commercials, because I see you guys been showing off the curvy girls and stuff. So, you know, I'm available if you need me. No, but seriously, love the jeans, and I love the deals. They've been having great deals. Sign up for their email notifications, because they've been having some awesome deals. I mean, it's a good thing and then it's not a good thing, because you see the deal and you're like, dang, I need to get something, but then it's like, do I really need to spend this money? So it's like a win-win. Yeah, pretty awesome though. Again, if you would like a coupon code for 20% off your order, please leave your email down below in the description box, and I will email that over for you. I think you have like a week or 2 to use it, I don't know, but I will most definitely send it to you. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell by hitting that little bell that you see, so that you get notified every time I upload a video, and that way you can keep up to date with me and you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. This one says, do you miss being in a relationship if you're not in one currently? By the way, I love you. I love you too, girl. I love you. I love you. I love you too. Do I miss being in a relationship? Now I do. Now? Yes, I truly do. Like, I miss being in a relationship. I miss feeling